I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your Walmart Plus membership, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Walmart website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to your membership. Once logged in, find the account section and click on Walmart Plus. This will take you to your membership details. Step 3. Select Cancel Membership. Look for the option that says Cancel Membership and click on it. You may need to confirm your choice. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Walmart will guide you through a few prompts to finalize the cancellation. Be sure to read any information provided. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After completing the cancellation, check your email for a confirmation message. This ensures that your membership has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you run into any issues, customer service is available to help. Good luck with your cancellation, and I hope this guide made it easier for you.